Hello guys, my name is Jatan Pravya and I'm from Mumbai. So I've been in motorsports almost, it's been like 5 years now.
Thanks, Jatan, for joining. What do you expect from your racing helmet? Will it be about the fit, about probably the vision, or probably the ventilation or stuff? So what is it that you need to race better?
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है विजन. ओके, विजन और फिटिंग मेरे लिए बहुत ज्यादा क्रूशियल है.
Okay.
क्योंकि अगर मेरा विजन नहीं रहेगा तो मुझे पता ही नहीं रहेगा मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ. क्योंकि बहुत सारे हेलमेट है ना, यहीं आके मेरा इधर विजन आके स्टक हो जाती है. तो ये विजन मुझे वाइडर विजन देता है. सिर्फ वर्टिकली नहीं, हॉरिजॉन्टली भी मुझे मेरा पेरिफेरल विजन बहुत स्ट्रांग है इसके. और फिटिंग वाइज मुझे KYT ने रेसिंग पैड्स दिए हैं जिसकी वजह से ये हेलमेट एकदम स्नग फिट होता है. मुझे नॉर्मल हेलमेट फिट नहीं होते हैं प्रॉपर्ली, so they had custom made this for me. Thank you so much KYT for this.
Nice.
It helps me a lot.
Since you are using the KYT helmet, how has that performed, and what all aspects that you think is crucial for your helmet is it been satisfied? Yes, no?
अभी जो मैंने बात किया वो था कंफर्ट. ठीक है कि मुझे क्या एक्चुअली चाहिए. सेफ्टी तो इट गोज विदाउट सेइंग विद KYT लाइक दैट. नाइस, समझ रहे हो? तो यही बात है बस. तो KYT gives me, it protects me anytime. Like if you see here as well, like these are all my practice crash marks and one to race as well. Like, but still the helmet is good and I have one more crashed helmet with me. तो वो तो टाटा हो चुका है, but it has saved me, no concussion at all.
Have you been involved in a crash while wearing a KYT helmet?
So it's a very rookie mistake that I did. Like I carried the brake too much and I lost my front. So the tire did not support me. So the limits were different and I just pushed and I crashed on C2. And at the time, these are the marks from C2.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
You are carrying C2 with...
Yeah, I'm carrying the C2 on my head. So... But it's like minor little scratches. I did not touch my head.
Okay.
Sweep though.
Okay. But were you involved in a crash where you mentioned that there is another helmet that you...
Yes. So in that helmet, I was involved in a very heavy crash at C4.
Okay.
So the helmet really saved me a lot. So
that was an NZ race too?
Yes, that was an NZ race too.
Okay. Yeah. So what happened during that? And
so right in front of me, one rider had a fall on the straight.
Okay.
Because of rider contact.
Okay.
So I had nowhere to go. I was right behind him in his slipstream. Okay. So I had nowhere to go. No left, right, blink of an eye, and I was inside the bike flying.
Okay.
So I directly landed on my head.
Okay.
So that's why the helmet went.
The shell cracked?
Yes, the shell cracked.
Okay. But you walked away?
No, I broke my collarbone.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. But
nothing apart from my just a collarbone, that's all. No, everything was fine. Head was fine, no concussion at all. I was talking.
Okay.
Everything was good.
How has KYT helped you to upkeep the helmets?
That's really one thing that I really thank KYT, because after coming from a session like 15-20 minutes, we sweat a lot.
Yeah.
And my helmet is full of sweat.
Okay.
Thanks to KYT, they have a service station at the racetrack for all the riders, whoever has a KYT helmet. We just have to come here, give our helmet. They will just write a tag of my name, service the helmet fully, whatever I need. If I want to change visor, vent, anything, name it, and they have everything with them.
Yeah.
They service the helmet, they change the parts, whatever it is, whatever they require.
Finally, just one word. If you want to tell about KYT helmets to our viewers, what would you say?
KYT helmets, like it's not just a word. Okay, I will just say one thing. जैसे कि आप कोई दूसरी ब्रांड यूज करते हो तो जैसे कि आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है भाई कि वाइजर कहाँ से लूँ, पैडिंग्स कहाँ से लूँ. पर ये चीज KYT जो KYT इंडिया में आए हैं, उन लोग सारी चीज प्रोवाइड करते हैं आपको. लाइक हेलमेट का जो भी एक्सेसरीज बोलो, सारी चीजें इन लोग के पास अवेलेबल है. आप ऑनलाइन पे ऑर्डर कर सकते हो.
All the best.